Hey traders, today my traders are going in fast forward movement because today I'm going to tell you 4 things about why you have to get my bot and big secret about binary options trading. Are you struggling to make consistent profits in binary option trading? Are your trades consistently ending in losses? Well, today we are revealing the biggest secrets that top trader uses to win more fast trades and grow their account fast. These are the exact strategy that separate the winner from the loser, so watch closely and take notes and let me transform your trading game. Secret number 1, mastering market trends. The mistake one a new trader make trading blindly without understanding the market trends. Pro traders always follow trends. If the market is moving in a clear direction, you trade with it, not against it. Secret tip, use indicator like moving averages and RSI to confirm trends before placing a trade. This instantly boosts accuracy. Secret number 2, smart risk management. Even the best trader lose some trades, but they never blow their account. Rule of thumb, never risk more than 2.2 or 5% of your account per trade. My AI trading bot actually manages risk automatically, adjusting trade size based on the market conditions, so you stay profitable in long run. Secret number 3, controlling emotions. Trading is 90% mental and 10% strategy. Most traders lose because they let greed and fear take over. They chase losses, overtrade, and blow their account. Pro tip, stick to your strategy, trust to the data, and never trade emotionally. The key to long-term success is discipline. Secret number 4, trading with an AI-powered edge. Now, what if you could remove emotions completely and let an AI-powered system trade with precise and accuracy for you? That's exactly what my premium AI trading bot does. Real-time market analysis, automated trend detection, smart risk management. The results, higher accuracy, better profits, and zero stress. If you want to start winning more trades, check out the link in the description and get your hands on this AI bot today. We also offer free demo sessions so you can connect in action before you decide. Like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful trading strategies. See you in the next video.